Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. So a year ago, I unboxed a subscription from 100% Pure, and I am collaborating with them again, which I am really happy about because the box that I reviewed a year ago, which I'll leave a link up here, was fantastic. It came with skincare, it came with makeup. Not only did I use it, my son used it because there were a lot of unisex type products. So I am happy to be working with them again. This is another subscription from them. 100% Pure is an online website that sells skincare products and makeup products, and they're mostly vegan and pure, natural ingredients. And the most fascinating thing I find about this company, which I don't see with any other companies, especially those that produce subscription boxes, they have a money-back guarantee. So within 60 days of you using their products and you're unhappy with them, they will make it right for you. You can return it. You can return it for your money or store credit minus any shipping that you might have to, pay to ship it back, but they want to make it right. So let's dive into the box. There's 3 different levels on this subscription, depending on the number and quantity of products you get. $49 smaller box, $79 and $169. So I am reviewing the $79 box, and let me just put it out right there. I do have a code, 15% off, which is good to like midnight, December 31st, 2024 for 15% off House of Jane. I will leave the link down below. Let's dive into this. This month's box is all about skincare. There's a lot of, there's a few pumpkin theme products in here. And right on top, the first one is a caffeine mask. This is one of the coolest masks I've ever seen. You can actually see all the little liquids and stuff floating around in here. It's just one of those, I don't know. It's cool. It looks really cool. I'm looking forward to using this. It's natural, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, PETA approved, and it's made of 95% organic aloe juice and 5% plant cellulose. All right, whatever that means, as long as it makes my skin look good, I'm happy. So I'm looking forward to relaxing with this. And then this is what you get. This is what you get, 5 more products. So there's 6 products in this level. So the first 2 I'm going to show you are their pumpkin enzyme products. We have a soothing scrub. It's 2 fluid ounces, and then a 2 fluid ounces of soothing mask. So this has turmeric in it, and this is actually maple and brown sugar AHAs. So this is obviously a scrub. You scrub it into your skin. It says scrub it in your wet skin, and then for 60 seconds, rinse it off. This is you put on your face. This is like a clay type mask. Everything is sealed, okay? So, you feel good about that, right? You don't want to open one of these and see it open. And you keep this on your face for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off, and you're gonna look like $1,000,000. That's right. That's the hope, right? So, and then the next mask we got is a cocoa butter moisture mask. This is almost, it's 1.7, almost 2 fluid ounces. It's gonna last a long time. I don't know about you, but masks last me a very long time. I can have a mask last me for a year or so, if not more. It just depends on how often you do it, right? Again, you leave this on your face for 15 to 30 minutes. And with any mask, you want to avoid the eye area because your eye area is the skin is very fragile. So you don't want to put anything rough in the eye area. So just avoid it, And yeah, I'm actually looking forward. I love cocoa butter. Love cocoa butter. So here we go. We got 2 more masks. Now these 2 masks are powders. I don't know if you've ever used powder before, but they're cool. You take like a tablespoon, teaspoon, let's see what it says here. Take a tablespoon of powder and add about a teaspoon of water. I usually just mix it up in the palm of my hand, and you spread it on your face. Totally powdery. So this one is a vitamin C mask. It's natural, pure, vegan mask. And then the other one looks a little bit more fancy because it has really beautiful packaging. This is matcha, like matcha tea. This is gonna last a long time. You can even see the green tea in there. And it's the same concept. You take about a tablespoon of the powder, mix it with a little bit of water in your hand or in a little dish, smash it all over your face, avoid the eye area, and then rinse it off, and you're gonna look like $1 million. That's right. that's what I always tell myself, right? So let's do a quick recap, because that's 6 products. That was pretty quickly. We got the 2 powdery masks, vitamin C and matcha tea. We got the cocoa butter, and we got the pumpkin enzymes, the smoothing scrub and smoothing mask. And finally, we got this really cool looking caffeine mask. So if you're interested, check out their website. House of Jane will get you 15% off your order and free shipping. That's right, this is free ship. And they're also having a promotion for free shipping on your overall order. If you want to sign up for text messages for a little bit, you can get free shipping on that. I saw that promotion on their website. I will leave the links down below. And I thank you for joining me today. It's been a while since I've done a box like this. And thank you 100% Pure for sending me this, and my contact there, Ashley. I so appreciate it. I really do. And hey, hope to work with them again. If not, it's been a fun box. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Take care. Bye.